Siguro mas iba ngayon kasi before na nakuha ko yung award na to, I was rookie eh. So I was just enjoying everything. I was just playing at my best all the time. Ngayon kinaiba kasi senior ako and I was the ate talaga inside the court. So I think isang bagay na nagdala sa amin dito is the maturity that we had and the responsibility that we had to take in. Kaya nadala namin yung Lasal to the championship. Hopefully we're praying for it. Sobra. Yeah, kasi syempre our goal talaga, even no rookie kami, our goal was to give Coach Amid the fourth beat that we parang na dinedream din namin. Pero as of now, syempre, maraming nangyari, maraming heartbreaks. Pero ngayon na nag-start na kami ulit na mag-champion, we're praying talaga na sana bigay din ni God yung next season bago kami umalis.